Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we're going to create custom legend patches. So this will jazz up your legend. Alright, so the next thing I have the whole map of Nigeria, the 36 state plus FCT, making it 37. So I want to use each of the boundaries of this state is what I want to use for legend, alright? So what we first need to do is to go to our geoprocessing tool here and we search for graphics or future to graphics. I've searched for it, so it's here. So you can just search for futures to graphics. So you pull it up. Now once future to graphics is on, our input will be this ng admin. So I'm just going to go there and select that, and then our output will be the name of the file I want it to be. So it has ng admin, or I can just say patches. Let me just save it as patches so that we have a better understanding of what we're doing. So we'll just exclude this. All right, so we'll just uncheck it, and then if you want to know what this means is to just look and say, okay, it's going to exclude converted futures from the drawing. So we don't need it. So I'm just going to click on run. So it has finished converting. So we just leave that side and come back. So we're just going to uncheck this, leaving this. All right. So now once we uncheck this other one, leaving this, now we will go to graphics, and at the graphics you see select. So we'll click on this select. Once any of them is allowed, so we'll just click on select. Now we're going to select them one by one. So I have Taraba here. So once I click on Taraba, you see that it has already converted the whole thing into a graphics. So we can actually save them one by one. So you just right click on it. After selecting, you right click, and then you come to save shape as a legend patch. So I click on save. So this one now, the name will be Taraba. I'm just going to save it as Taraba, and I click on save. So we're going to do that for repeated for all the remaining states in Nigeria. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring legend. Let me bring out name. So this I'm going to label this, then I'll check it. I'm going to label it. All right, so I think we've not done the eastern state, so I'm going to select these patches, drop this down, and then we have Ebonyi. So I'm going to right click and just put EB. That will be for Ebonyi. So I'm going to pause the video and complete this, then I'll get back for us to continue. So I'm going to say EB and then I'll click save. So I'm going to pause the video. So if you follow what I did, you find out that I have covered the whole of this. So I showed you just one or two so that I'll be able to, and then pause the video so that I can be able to complete this. Next thing we're going to do here is to uncheck this, then come back to this one. So on this one now, we will go to symbology. So I'm just going to go to symbology. Where is symbology? Okay, symbology. So at symbology, we're going to come down here. You see each of these drop down button you see, that's where you're going to select. So we have Abia. So Abia, I fix it. You can see that the patches of the Abia has been fixed. I go to more. Which state is this? This is Akwa Ibom. Then we have next Adamawa. You go to next because you save it. So you should, if you go to more, you'll be able to see what that each of them is. All right, so I'm going to go to more patch symbol. This is which state Bayelsa. So I save it at Bisa. And we have Benue. Go to more, I save it as Bino. Then we have Borno. Under new patch, I save it as Bon. And I believe you can do it now. So this is which state? This is Cross River. I save as CR. Then we have Delta. I save as Del. Del. Okay. So you can see that here I've already been able to change everything the way according to the boundary of each of the states is represented here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to layout now. So on layout, you can see that we have the boundary of the country being stated in. So what we want to do here, we just want to insert a new layout. All right, so we're just going to insert a legend. So we go to legend, and then we pick any of the legend of our choice. Either is 1, 2, then we just draw the line, and voila. So you can see all the legend with the custom patches. So you can see each of the states. Each of the state has these custom patches. All right, so you see it's represent the state and the way its boundary is. Each of the state, for those who know Kaduna, you know that this is how Kaduna boundary is. For those who know Kano, know that this is how Kano boundary is. So this is available only on ArcGIS 3.4 above. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.